Hello students and welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I am going to talk about adverbs. So without wasting our time, let's start with our topic. So let us firstly see that what are adverbs. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. मतलब एडवर्ब वो चीज़ होती है जो हमें जो एक वर्ब को डिस्क्राइब करती है। और वर्ब्स तो आपको पता ही होंगी क्या होती है, गो, रन, और ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं हमारी वर्ब्स। इट टेल्स अबाउट एन एक्शन और द वे समथिंग इज़ डन। इट मीन्स ये हमें ये बताता है कि एक एक्शन कैसे हो रहा है और ये हमें ये भी बताता है कि वो किस वे में हो रहा है। अ लॉट ऑफ एडवर्ब्स एंड इन एल वाई, मतलब बहुत सारे एडवर्ब्स एल वाई से ही एंड होते हैं। चलो एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं। दे लाफ लाउडली, सो हेयर लाउडली इज एडवर्ब। वाट इज एडवर्ब? इट इज एडवर्ब and it is describing a verb. A verb is laughed, so they laugh loudly. How do they laugh? They laugh loudly, मतलब वो ज़ोर से हंसे। कैसे हंसे? ज़ोर से। Now the baby is sleeping soundly. How? Soundly. And here the verb is sleeping, and our adverb soundly is describing the word sleeping. Always remember that many adverbs are made by adding ly to adjectives. It means बहुत सारे adverbs ly को ऐड करके ही बन जाते हैं adjectives में। और adjectives को हम हिंदी में विशेषण शब्द भी कहते हैं, जो शब्द की विशेषता बताते हैं। So English में here we say it as adjectives, and adjectives tells us the importance of anything, and we made it adverb by only adding ly at the end of adjectives. So here in front of you are some examples of converting of adjective into adverb. So let us see each and every one by one. So first is beautiful. So in adverb it would become beautifully. Here you can see only ly is added at the end of the adjective. Now brave, bravely, bright, brightly, fierce, fiercely, happy, happily, heavy, heavily, loud, loudly, peaceful, peacefully, slow, slowly, sound, soundly, sweet, sweetly. As you can see, in each and every word, only ly is added at the end of the word to make it as adverb. So students, now let us see the types of adverbs. So there are basically or mainly 5 type of adverbs. First, adverb of time. Second, adverb of manner. Third, adverb of degree. Fourth, adverb of place. Fifth, adverb of frequency. So now let us see each and every in detail. So now firstly see the adverb of time. So students, adverb of time describes us then when and verb would take place. मतलब ये हमें ये शो करता है कि जो हमारी वर्ब है वो कब होगी। तो चलिए इसके कुछ एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं जो कि बेनिफिशियल होंगे। So students, here are some examples in front of you which are related to adverbs of time. So never, lately, just, always, recently, during, yet, soon, sometimes, usually, so far. All these examples are showing you the adverb of time. We use them in a sentence to describe that when a verb would happen. So students, second, adverb of manner. It describes us that how a verb happen, मतलब हमारी verb कैसे हुई। तो चलिए इसके भी कुछ एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं, उससे आपको और अच्छे से क्लियर होगा। So students, here are the examples of adverbs of manner in front of you. Neatly, slowly, quickly, sadly, calmly, politely, loudly, kindly and lazily. So आप देख सकते हैं सब में हमें ये पता चलता है कि एक वर्ब कैसे हो रही है, मतलब वो किस मैनर में हो रही है। सो ये एक सेंटेंस में यूज़ होते हैं हमारी वर्ब को ये बताने के लिए कि वो किस तरह से हो रही है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, थर्ड एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री। एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री हमें ये डिस्क्राइब करता है कि जो हमारा जो वर्ब है वो किस लेवल या किस इंटेंसिटी तक जा रहा है, यह हमें ये डिस्क्राइब करता है। चलिए इसके भी एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं कुछ, जिससे आपको और अच्छे से क्लियर होगा। सो स्टूडेंट्स, एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डिग्री, एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री: almost, quite, nearly, too, enough, just, hardly, simply, and so. So students, all these examples are used to show the level of verb. So students, now for the adverb of place. So the adverb of place describes that where a noun a verb is happening. मतलब ये हमें ये डिस्क्राइब करता है कि जो हमारी वर्ब है वो किस जगह पे हो रही है। तो चलिए इसके भी कुछ एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं जो कि आपको और अच्छे से क्लियर करेंगे एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस को। So students, examples are in front of you of adverbs of place. Here, there, nowhere, everywhere, out, in, above, below, inside, outside, into. So here all these words are showing are used to describe the place where the verb is happening. So it is used to describe that how often a verb occur. मतलब ये हमें ये डिस्क्राइब करती है कि जो हमारी वर्ब है वो कितनी बार अकर हुई है, मतलब वो कितनी बार हुई है। एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी हमारा इस यूज़ में है। चलिए इसके भी कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं। So students, examples are in front of you regarding the adverbs of frequency. So let's see: never, always, rarely, sometimes, normally, seldom, usually, and again. So here all these examples of words are used to show that how many times or how often a verb occurs in a sentence. It is very useful. Now the question comes, how to identify that is there any adverb in a sentence? So yes, you can easily identify that, and I am telling you the way that how to identify that. You can identify that by asking the questions from a verb. And now let me tell you what are those questions. By asking the questions like how, where, when, how many times and in which speed. मतलब कैसे, कहाँ, कब, कितनी बार और किस स्पीड में। तो अगर इनमें से किसी एक का भी आंसर आपको अपनी वर्ब से मिलता है तो मतलब उसमें एडवर्ब है। As I have gave you one example starting, the baby is crying loudly. So how it is crying? It is crying loudly. I have asked question from my verb that how he is crying. So he is crying loudly. Students, now I am sharing one exercise with you which you have to solve by yourself, and at last I will show you the answers for the same. And today also I am sharing a link in description box regarding for the test for you of an exercise. There would be 3 exercises there. If you would click the link, you must only have to click the link, you will directly get entry in the test. And there must be 3 exercises and here only one. So try to give the test from there. So students, here's the exercise for today. You have to do it, or you can evenly take a screenshot and then can fill it in a rough notebook. Or you can evenly pause the video and then can think of other answers. At the last of this video, I will share the answers for this until you have to try to solve it. I will also share this on your test and two more worksheets there. I will not show it in this video, but they are on. So students, here's your link for today's test, and I am also mentioning this link in description. From there you have to just simply click the link. You will directly enter into the test, and I will also teach you how to do the test. And if someone doesn't know how to click from description, so he or she can easily note down this link on any rough notebook and then can type this on Google Chrome or any other browser. So let's try. So students, when you will click your link, this screen will appear in front of you. In this screen, you have to nothing to do, only you have to write your name. You can evenly write your full name or half name. Then simply you have to click the next button. As you can, it is just below your name. You must simply have to click. So when you will click the next, a screen will appear in front of you. I am not showing you the whole screen, as if you want to see that, so you must have to continue with the link only. And when you will click next, the screen will appear. Here you have to answer the questions in uppercase. Now let me tell you what is uppercase, and in uppercase only in this exercise, not in the next one. Now let me tell you what is uppercase. As you can see here in example, I have clearly mentioned it, that if you would write good, it is an example only. If you would write good in all the letters in small, so it would wrong your answer. But if you would write good and the first letter of the word would be capital, only then it would be it would correct your answer. Type your answer just below this. Your image would be there, which is regarding your questions, and just below that few points are there, which 1 2 3 4 like this 12 points are there. On those you have to type your answers. Okay, if you will see that, you will betterly understand my point. So please continue with the link. So when you read your questions, then like this our screen would be there. As I am the creator, so I am able to see this screen, but if you will fill, you another type screen would be there. So in that if one is given, so you have to write type the first answer there, like this. Here you can see slowly is there, and I am also going to tell you the question. In question you have to change adjectives into adverbs. So first would be slow, and you have to convert into slowly, and for that you must have to write S in capital, otherwise your answer would become wrong and you would not be able to score more. So just try it once. And when you will fill the answers up to 12 in the same way which I have told you, then you have to again click the next button, and there's back button also for returning to the previous sheet which was regarding for your name, and this both button will be there after in each worksheet, so you can use both of them. Now let's see, after clicking next, what screen would appear. So when you will click the next, screen would appear. In this, you have to type your answer in lowercase. The lowercase is the opposite of the uppercase. Here, if you write good and if you would write G capital, first word capital, so it would wrong your answer. And if you would write the whole word good in lowercase or in small word, so it would correct your answer. So just remember it, otherwise the marks would be deducted. And just below type your answer. Your image would be there regarding exercise number 2. Now let me show you that how to fill that exercise. So your question would be underline the adverbs in the following sentences. And I am telling you the first answer. The first answer would be loudly. And you have to type this answer in lowercase मतलब आपको सारे वर्ड्स स्मॉल लेटर्स में लिखने हैं और प्लीज़ यही लिखिएगा, अदरवाइज़ वो आपके आंसर रॉन्ग कर देगा। और इसी तरह आपको 10 क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे आपके पास। And when you will fill all the answers up to 10 according to my method, then again you have to click the next button only, and then let's see that which screen would appear in front of you. And in this also you have to type your answer in lowercase, and here type your answer below, just below this your image would be there regarding exercise number 3. And now let me show you that how to fill the exercise. This would be the same exercise which I have shown you in this video, in which you have to change the words given in brackets into from adjectives to adverbs. And your first answer would be fiercely, and we have changed fierce into fiercely. So you have to type your answer fiercely in lowercase, or all the words should be in small letters. There would be 8 questions of this exercise, and when you will fill all the 8 questions, then you have to click the next button given, and you must evenly recheck your test by clicking the back button. And when you will click next, this screen will appear. Now you have completed with your all exercise. Now you can submit your test by clicking the submit button given below. यहाँ से आप अपना टेस्ट सबमिट कर दीजिए, बट उससे पहले से रीचेक दोबारा से कीजिए। और ये आपका लास्ट स्टेप है। अगर आप यहाँ तक पहुँच गए तो आप एक जीनियस हैं। नाउ यू कैन व्यू योर मार्क्स बाय क्लिकिंग द बिलो व्यू स्कोर बटन। अब आप अपने मार्क्स इजीली देख सकते हैं। आपने अब सबमिट कर दिया है व्यू स्कोर बटन से। अब और कौन कौन से ऑप्शन आते हैं? सी प्रीवियस रिस्पॉन्स, मतलब पहले जिन लोगों ने रिस्पॉन्स किया है वो देख सकते हैं। आप अपना ही रिस्पॉन्स एडिट कर सकते हैं, बट ये फीचर आपको एग्ज़ाम में नहीं मिलता। थर्ड, सबमिट अनदर रिस्पॉन्स, और ये भी आपको एग्ज़ाम में बिल्कुल नहीं मिलेगा, तो आपको 1 टाइम ही प्रिपेयर रहना है। Now let me teach you how to view score. You must simply have to click view score button. यहाँ पे टोटल पॉइंट्स में आप अपने मार्क्स देख सकते हैं। टेस्ट आपका है टोटल 30 मार्क्स का, और यहाँ पे 1 बाय 1 जैसा आपको शीट्स दी हुई थी, पहले 1 फिर नेक्स्ट क्लिक करा तो फिर अगली, वैसे यहाँ पे आपको पर अगली अब की बार आपको नेक्स्ट का बटन नहीं है, आपको सीधा स्क्रॉल करना है। आपको अपने एक जो करेक्ट है उन पर आपको टिक लगा मिलेगा, और जो आपके रॉन्ग होंगे उस पर आपको क्रॉस लगा मिलेगा, और आपको करेक्ट आंसर नीचे लिखा हुआ मिलेगा। तो इसलिए घबराइए मत, और मगर आप ट्राई कीजिए कि आप करेक्ट ही आंसर भरें और आप फुल आउट ऑफ फुल लें, 30 में से 30 लें। होप सब आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा कि टेस्ट कैसे देना है। और प्लीज़ ट्राई करिए, नई वर्कशीट्स हैं बहुत और ये आपको हेल्प भी करेंगी, तो ट्राई ज़रूर कीजिएगा प्लीज़। गूगल इस पे लिंक को क्लिक करके उस टेस्ट को देने का। So students, here are the answers for your exercise which I have shown you firstly. So you must reach each and every. I am also telling the dog is barking first. So it would become firstly. Alice skated dash beautiful. So it would become beautifully. The birds are singing dash sweet sweetly. The soldiers fought dash brave bravely. The sun is shining dash brightly. The old man walked dash slowly. The driver braked dash suddenly. The parcel arrived dash safely. Hope so that you have no doubt in all these, and if any doubt or if any query, so you can ask that in comment section. And you must also try to give a test on the test paper through the link which is provided in description and the previous sheet. And you can evenly take the screenshot of each and every sheet, as each and every sheet is very important for you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like the video, and also try to understand the concepts clearly and try to give test on through the link.